Welcome to JOAT Academy. Today, we're going to learn how to construct a 67.5-degree angle. This tutorial will guide you on how to construct a 67.5-degree angle without using a protractor. To begin, we first need to construct two 60-degree angles. Start by drawing a straight line of any length and mark 3 points on it, A, C, and B, as shown. With your compass placed at point A, open it to point C and draw an arc. Using the same radius, mark 2 points on the arc. Each of these arcs represents a 60-degree angle. Now, divide the last 60-degree angle into two equal parts to get two 30-degree angles. To do this, place the compass on this point and draw an arc. Then, without changing the radius, place the compass on the second point and draw another arc to intersect the first. This gives you two 30-degree angles. Once again, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I encourage you to do so. Next, divide the first 30-degree angle into two equal parts to get two 15-degree angles. Place the compass on this point, draw an arc, then repeat from the other point to create an intersection. This gives you two 15-degree angles. Now, divide the first 15-degree angle into two equal parts to get two 7.5-degree angles. Using your pencil and ruler, draw a straight line from point A through the point of intersection. This represents a 67.5-degree angle. You can now use a protractor to verify that the angle measures exactly 67.5 degrees. This confirms that we've successfully constructed a 67.5-degree angle without a protractor. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video, share it, and help grow the channel. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again, keep practicing. Goodbye.